In today's fast-paced digital world, having a well-designed, user-friendly, and accessible website is crucial for corporate enterprises. This is where custom WordPress development comes into play. By partnering with seasoned professionals, businesses can create a website that meets their current demands and has the flexibility to grow with their business. Custom WordPress websites offer a range of benefits, including search engine optimization, accessibility, security, and scalability. With expert guidance, businesses can ensure their website is tailored to their unique requirements and objectives while staying up to date with industry trends and technology. Collaborating with a custom WordPress development agency also means ongoing support and maintenance, ensuring optimal performance and functionality, and minimizing downtime. Skilled developers can identify potential challenges and opportunities for improvement, incorporating new features and functionality to help businesses stand out in a crowded online marketplace. A custom WordPress website can help enterprises establish a strong online presence, attract more customers, and position themselves for long-term success. With the assistance of seasoned experts, businesses can develop a potent, efficient, and future-proof website for their particular needs and objectives. Contact Reversed Out today to find out how we can assist you in creating a WordPress site that positions your company for success.